Purcal News, January 27th to July 23rd, 2024. Recent message from the King of Purcal about the 6-month gap. Hey everyone, I want to apologize for pretty much abandoning Purcal. Life got busy, and I wasn't able to give Purcal enough time to keep it alive. I'm considering reviving it, but that choice is ultimately up to you, the citizens of Purcal. Check the polls channel for that choice. Thanks for being with Purcal all this time. The choice the citizens of Purcal made was to revive Purcal. So here we are back once again like a phoenix rising from the ashes. Purcal never dies. The last update on the election on Purcal News was uploaded in January 27th, 2024, just about 6 months ago. The election ended with a TPF victory. The results are as follows. TPF with 16 votes, PLP with 13 votes, DPP with 3 votes, PDP with 2 votes, and last but not least Pastor Solid Fan with 1 single vote, making Mage the new Prime Minister and making E the new Deputy Prime Minister. Regarding the economic project promised by the TPF was in the beta stage of development as of February 12th, with all updates ceasing until June 9th, when testing has started. With the bot finally being released on July 2nd, it will allow the economy to run more smoothly and allow easy exchange between micronational currencies. Though currently, only 3 currencies per Spilling and MCS are supported. However, this may change in the future. If you are a leader of a micronation and would like your currency to be run on this bot, join the development server down below for more information. The exchange rates are as follows. 1 per is equal to 15 Spilling, and 1 per is equal to 2.5 MCS. Please subscribe, like, and share for more Purcal videos like this. Thank you for watching Purcal News. Take care. Discord server down below. We are at 378 members out of 500 members. Thank you for watching. Bye.